Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to share my experience and some useful tips for visiting Pak Ou Caves, also known as the Buddha Caves, near Luang Prabang. These tips will help you save time, money, and make planning your trip a lot easier. After researching a lot, I realized that joining a full-day tour that includes Pak Ou Caves along with other attractions is better than just a standalone visit. Our tour took us first to a Hmong tribe village, then an elephant camp followed by Pak Ou Caves, and then a riverside village famous for traditional whiskey making, and finished with a beautiful sunset cruise back to Luang Prabang. Visiting Pak Ou Caves feels like stepping into a chapter of the spiritual and cultural heart of Laos. The boat ride along the Mekong River is half the adventure in itself. Slowly passing riverside villages, temples, lush green hills, and towering limestone cliffs are an experience in themselves. The caves themselves are set inside a huge limestone cliff. Even from a distance, the view of the cliffs is breathtaking. When we arrived, there were already several boats parked there. There are two caves here, the upper and the lower cave. To reach the upper cave, you have to climb about 200 steep stairs carved into the cliff. The upper cave is quite large, and you get a nice view of the Mekong River from there, but it has fewer Buddha statues. I personally found the lower cave more captivating, so if you're short on time or don't want to climb, the lower cave alone is definitely worth your visit. The lower cave has a wide entrance and is filled with almost 4,000 small Buddha statues, sitting silently on shelves and ledges. These statues come in all shapes and poses, standing, reclining, meditating, etc. The statues vary in size from tiny to over a meter tall, made from wood, bronze, and clay. These statues have been placed there over centuries by pilgrims. The cave feels very peaceful and offers a stunning view of the Mekong River. Pak Ou Caves have been a pilgrimage site for centuries, especially during the Lao New Year when locals bring new Buddha statues. The location where the Mekong meets the Nam O River is considered spiritually special. The caves even have a royal connection. Lao kings once visited annually to add statues as offerings. If you enjoyed this peek into Pak Ou Caves, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more travel stories like this. Your support means a lot and helps us share these amazing places with more people. See you in the next video.